Kaya Brutestone will be defeated. Ugh, I want to start over with Kaya Brutestone. I don't feel like it was good. It was just so stale. Like, rewatching the video, seeing it all published, like, yeah, felt kind of good about it. But when I watched it and I just saw myself, it just seemed like she was so unalive, and I was just reading lines, and I felt like I had to fix my voice, that I think how she will sound, but it felt like it was lacking that passion and that movement that I needed to bring it alive, giving it emotions, not feeling so stuck. So I don't know if it's gonna even sound like her. I'm just gonna speak with passion and emotion and just kind of do that, almost just acting. I don't know if the voice will be exactly how I envisioned, but it's definitely going to be my voice. So, let's see if we can find a dialogue we could read. All right, I found a dialogue. I'm going to try it out. Gotta get emotions. I'm pissed. Somebody challenged me to a fight. I'm pissed. And they think they're gonna, no, I'm pissed, okay. You picked the wrong day to test me. I didn't survive the pits of Iraq by playing nice. I survived by breaking bones and squashing fear. So you want to dance? Fine. But know this, I don't stop until the last scream fades. And trust me, yours will echo the loudest. So, let's see what you're really made of. All right. I picked up a more emotional scene, so we're going to try playing with emotions with this character. I told myself I wouldn't feel this again. Not after what happened in Ash Reach. But here I am, watching another one fall. Another name I'll carry, another ghost in the dark. They took everything from me. My family, my squad, my heart. Now all that's left is the fight. And I swear, on every soul I've lost, they'll pay for every single one. Okay. A scene where she's at a bar, kind of flirty, kind of, being tough and cool. So, you keep staring like that, and I'm gonna start thinking you're either brave or stupid. Either way, I like it. Most people see the scars and run. But not you. You've got that look like you want to know the story behind everyone. Careful, I bite. You know what? Buy me another drink, and I might just let you live long enough to hear one of those stories. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed that. Just felt like I wanted to just put that out there. More to come. We will get better and better.
Better and better.
We will get better and better.
My mind just kind of went blank.